Okay, welcome back to my mixer channel, and today we're gonna prepare some coconut margarita, samba machata. Come on guys, let's get right into it. Are you ready? Let's do it. So right here, right now, as I said, we're gonna prepare some coconut margarita, okay? Exactly what we're doing right here. I want you to say exactly what we're doing. So we got some tequila right here. So we're gonna put tequila, it's a margarita, 1.5 ounces, 1.5 ounces of tequila. Okay? And we're gonna go right over here, we're gonna get our coconut rum. We're gonna just put 1/2 ounce of coconut rum inside. Just like this inside. Then we got our 3%, 1/2 ounces 3% inside, just like this. Right here, we got our fresh squeezed lime baby juice, 1/2 ounces inside, just like this. Okay, and this one we got our coconut special puree right here. We're gonna put 1/2 ounces inside. Remember, it's a coconut margarita, all right? And what make it coconut? It's coconut flavor. Don't forget that. And this is a fresh 100% organic coconut water, 1/2 ounce right inside. Never see this before, right? Alrighty. And what we're gonna do right here, right now, we're gonna ice, just like this inside. And then first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna just stir it up, mix it up, just like this. And we're gonna go and we're gonna put 1/2 ounces of agave syrup, all the way from Mexico. Remember, it's a coconut margarita. 1/2 ounces inside, just like this. Alrighty. Right. Just like this inside. Alright. Okay. I'm gonna taste it, alright? Bartender have to taste it, right? To see if it's... See what I do? Right here? We don't want the contamination of anything, so we're gonna taste it more than once, so we don't really put the spoon exactly in our hand. We take the liquid, we touch it like this, just our hand, and we taste it. Okay? And what we're gonna do right here, right now, we're gonna shake it. We're gonna pour it in a glass just like this. And what we're making again? Is this a coconut margarita? It is. And we're gonna go right here, right now. We're gonna put our nice sexy garnish, just like this, inside of it. And there you have it. And remember guys, follow me, Instagram, Mixology640, YouTube. You can find me there. And there we have it. Catch you in the next video. I'm out. Enjoy. Beautiful stuff.